Hi, I'm Josh with Rainy Day Restoration Roofing, and I want to talk about a red flag moment when it comes to a roof project, and that's filing a permit. It seems like a small thing whether or not to file a permit, but it's important. Most cities here in North Texas require a permit. They don't really do inspections so much, but they do require that documentation that the roofing contractor has registered with the city and has installed a roof according to the manufacturer's specs and according to the building code that the city's adopted. So if the contractor you're considering isn't going to be pulling a permit, or if they've started a job, and unfortunately you didn't call me, but if they've already started the job and haven't pulled a permit, that's something you definitely want to talk to them about. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thanks for watching.